Many people link sunflowers with the autumn and harvest seasons. Some of the most renowned paintings have been based on sunflowers, and you may find them hanging in farmhouses and on tea towels. But why has that simple plant constantly captivated people's imaginations? For a long time, these remarkable plants have provoked numerous questions. It continues to be a mystery to many why sunflowers constantly turn their faces toward the sun. The purpose of this video is to explain why sunflowers always face the sun and why do bees land on a sunflower facing eastwards. First, we should understand heliotropism. So, what is heliotropism? In case you haven't noticed, a baby sunflower will constantly point its face toward the sun. The term heliotropism is used to describe the behavior of following the sun. The direction in which a plant grows in response to the sun's rays is called heliotropism. Sunflowers, like humans, are assumed to have an internal clock that allows them to function through heliotropism. The biological clock ensures that the plant receives the maximum amount of nutrients and light at the appropriate times for maximum growth. How does the full heliotropism cycle work? Sunflowers' directional changes are commonly known as heliotropism. At morning, the sunflower's head will point east, where the sun will rise. The sunflower's head follows the sun upwards as day breaks. The sunflower's head follows the sun throughout the sky as the day progresses. The sun sets in the west, and so the head rests in the west in the evening. Strangely, sunflowers overnight slowly rotates to face east again, where they will be greeted by the rising sun. How do sunflowers shift the movement from east to west and west to east? Growing sunflowers follow the sun's path for optimal growth and development, with the stem playing a crucial role in this process. As the head moves during the day, the stem grows longer to keep it stable. The morning expansion of the stem's eastern side makes room for the head to shift westward. At night, the stem lengthens on the western side, allowing the head to rotate around to face the east again. The question is why mostly the young sunflowers turn their faces toward the sun. For proper growth, young sunflowers must follow the sun's path. This process, which occurs when plants soak up sunlight and transform it into food and energy, is called photosynthesis. A plant that doesn't get enough sunlight will struggle. Experiments have been conducted throughout the years with sunflowers, and in one of these tests, the stem of a sunflower was placed in a fixed location to prevent it from moving. The sunflower's biomass and leaf area both dropped as a result. There is a tipping point at which sunflowers stop following the sun. Sunflowers eventually quit following the sun when they mature. They achieve their maximum potential, and then their growth rates begin to level off. Age causes the flower to shift its body clock such that it prefers the morning sun to the afternoon sun. This slowing down in development is a result of the plant's internal clock adjusting to prioritize receiving sufficient sunshine. To attract pollinators like bees, sunflowers have stopped following the sun's heliotropic path. Flowering plants facing east are 5 times more likely to attract bees than those facing west. This is because the morning sun will warm the blossoms more quickly. Bees are more likely to visit warmer flowers. What are the benefits for a sunflower to face east? The mature sunflower must preserve its legacy for future generations. Its orientation toward the east attracts bees, which aid in pollination. The flowers blossom and produce pollen more rapidly than they would if they were facing west due to the sunlight and warmth. Numerous genotyping tests have been conducted to verify this hypothesis. When sunflowers face east, the petals expand and the seeds become heavier. The human-like way in which sunflowers move in response to the sun has attracted people for centuries. These colorful blossoms, which like people, have a 24-hour biological clock called a circadian rhythm, always face east to attract pollinating bees. The bright yellow of a sunflower's petals is instantly recognizable, and they add both color and aesthetic appeal to any setting.